Hey there guys, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to another video. I apologize for my extended absence. It wasn't planned, but sometimes life happens and unfortunately YouTube has to be on the back burner. So if you want to keep up with me or get updates, etc., make sure you join my Facebook group or follow my Facebook page. Both of those links are down in the description box below. If you are on mobile, there is a little down arrow to the right of the title of this video. Click that and you'll see everything that you need to see. So today and this week, I'm going to be focusing on the February Paper Pumpkin Kit. If you are unfamiliar, Paper Pumpkin is a monthly crafting subscription box. It's $19.99 or $19.95, comes straight to your door and has every single thing that you need to make the projects that are included inside. During celebration, which is now between and ends March 31st, you get a free gift with every $50 purchase that you make, and you can do the 3, 6, or 9 month subscription to Paper Pumpkin. If you do the 6 or 9 month subscription, you'll save $1 a box off the 6 month and $2 a box off the 12 month. And all that information, well, the link to get that information is down below. So let's get cracking. So this is the 5th. Ooh. If you subscribe by March 10th, you're going to get the kit and a free gift. And it's going to be in a special box. Right. Okay. And this is going up late because I literally just got my box yesterday. This is Wednesday the 21st. Yes, yes. Ugh, I always tend to get my box late. I don't know how they ship, but I'm like, how come people get it like the next day? So every kit almost always comes with a coordinating stamp set. This has some block lettering that says celebrate, thank you, and friend. And then this says big time and your awesomeness. I like that. And then there's these little cute florals. I believe the title of this one's called Wildflower. Yeah, Wildflower Wishes. And then you get a garden green ink spot. I normally don't use the ink spots because I have the big inks, but again, it comes with it. And if this is your first kit, you actually get an acrylic block. So again, everything you need. Okie dokie. Enough of the sales pitch, Misty. Let's get crafted. I hear you. I hear you. This kit is really pretty. So it can, like I said, it comes with everything you need, including instructions. I almost always never, ever do the card that is included because I like to show you guys alternate ways to use it. So let me get everything pulled out and then we'll go over what's included. So the first thing that is included is this linen thread. Got a big spool of that. You get your adhesive, so there are some glue dots. There are some dimensionals. Now these dimensionals are a little bit taller than our normal dimensionals. So I don't use, I sometimes use these, sometimes I don't. Then you get, ooh, these are pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 10, so we must have 10 cards. These are really pretty. Get some pearls. Fun fact, if you have an alcohol marker, including our Stampin' Blends, you can color these any color you want. Got some card bases. This looks like maybe Sahara sand or crumb cake. So you get card bases that are white on the inside. That's perfect, so you don't have to put a white thing. And then you get some pattern paper. These look like labels. So there are long labels and shorter labels. This coordinates with the lots of labels, it looks like. Ooh. These are stickers, and it looks like you can either leave these in or punch them out, and I bet that's, you put that on top of that. Really nice. Ooh, some vellum. This is a really nice kit. Look at Stampin' Up. Getting it. Get it, Stampin' Up. Aha, so this coordinates with the bigger one. And what's great is you can actually color these words or these letters, and I'll show you. Come back tomorrow for an alternate project. And then here, of course, is the instruction sheet, and you can see exactly right there, that's what they've done. They've punched out the letters and then adhered it to the back of that. Oh, and then they've added stickers to the envelopes. I didn't see writing on the envelopes. Lines, they must have added the lines. So again, comes with all of the instructions. Actually, let me take a break. I'll figure out what I'm doing and then I'll be right back. All right, friends, I'm back. So I have a Melon Mumbo card base that measures 4 1/4 by 11. I've scored it at 5 1/2 and I've inserted a white card layer that measures 4 by 5 1/4. This is pretty standard for me. I have a piece of the, I think it's the Wood Textures background paper. This measures 4 by 5 1/4. I think this color really goes well with Melon Mumbo. And then I'm going to use this label, and I have removed this sticker to leave me, is this the positive, the negative? I don't know. I don't know that. And I'm going to do some ink blending with Tempting Turquoise because I really love that Tempting Turquoise in this wildflower. So, first things first, let's start with that. I'm going to try to get some ink on the lid because it takes a lot to kind of get your blending tool started. So I'm going to start out to the side and then I'm just going to ink up. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just like that. Easy peasy, right? Oh. Okay, so while this dries for just a second, let's go ahead and add our paper. I'm going to go ahead and use some snail today. You're like, what? I'll be back to liquid glue, don't you worry. But this was on my desk and it's brand new. And there's just something about using a brand new snail that I just can't even explain it. Let me get this off my mat because I do not want to have to switch mats. Okay. Put that down. So, how am I going to do this? Okay, let's see if this works. And if it doesn't, Misty, just cut it out. That looks straight. Let me pick this up. So it's going here because the H has decided to adhere itself. That worked out pretty well, didn't it? Go Misty, go Misty. Let's do it the same thing for this one. Ta-da! And now for my next trick. Just kidding. Okay, I want one of those pink flowers. On the side. So let me go ahead and add some of the dimensionals to the back of this. I love opening a new pack of dimensionals. Even though this is not a new pack, but just, pushing that honeycomb back just makes my little heart happy. Bring in my little trash can right here. This is just some containers I got from the Dollar Tree. I don't know that they have this color anymore, but you can still find these there. I'm gonna pop this up with regular dimensionals so it's not as high. You absolutely do not have to pop it up if you don't want to, but I do. And then, do we have anything that can go in the center to make it pop? No. And that didn't actually come out turquoise because of this soft suede. I think this is either crumb cake or soft suede, but I still love it. Let's add a faceted gem because I love these. Love. Actually, I think gold will look better. What? Misty said gold? Who is she? Where did you come from? You know me, you know gold is not my favorite. Well, I like rose gold, but not yellow gold. And last but not least, some Wink of Stella, because I love that too. So this is a fairly new pen, so I'm going to go ahead and get it started again. I'm going to go over the letters. Oh yeah, this is going to make it, that turquoise come out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it just adds a hint of shimmer. I'm gonna wipe off my brush and add it to the pink. Now don't forget that our inks are water-based ink, and so any kind of liquid will move them around. So here we go. Look at that, I love it. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'm so happy to be back. I'm so sorry that I was gone for so long, but I'm back. So make sure you come back tomorrow for the first 5 cards in my 10 cards 1 kit. And I will have a bonus video, hopefully for you, on Saturday. So again, make sure you follow the link down below to check out my Facebook group, Facebook page, and to get signed up for Paper Pumpkin. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.